Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing a quick and easy ragi breakfast smoothie recipe, ideal as a quick and filling breakfast on those busy mornings. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup of water. Add in 1 ripe banana. Let me introduce you to ragi granola. This ragi granola is handmade by me and is available on my website nisahomey.com. It is made with organic sprouted ragi flakes and lightly sweetened with kakvi and has organic sprouted nuts and seeds. Website link will be updated below this video. Note that this ragi granola is vegan and gluten free. Add in 3 tablespoons ragi granola. Add in protein powder of your choice if you are using any. You don't need to add in any extra sweeteners like dates, as this granola has a little bit of kakvi. Kakvi is also known as fermented liquid jaggery, and it is also mildly spiced with cinnamon and raw cacao powder. And now I'm going to blend all this really well. Pour the blended ragi smoothie onto a serving glass. For an added crunch, as a topping, I'm sprinkling in some ragi granola, and my quick and easy ragi smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy ragi smoothie and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.